Welcome to JH. Fabuloveco is an online store that claims to sell everything from bracelets and necklaces to those eternal roses that are supposedly perfect for special occasions. But the big question is whether this site is actually legitimate or just a fancy way to donate your money to a stranger's vacation fund. Let's break it down step by step. On the positive side, the domain was registered in August 2022. In the world of online scams, surviving for 2 years is practically a diamond anniversary, as most fly-by-night operations vanish faster than my motivation on a Monday morning. They also maintain a presence on Facebook and Instagram, proving they at least know how to use social media to look like a real brand. Plus, they provide an email, a physical address, and a phone number, suggesting they aren't entirely hiding in an underground bunker. However, once we look at the reviews, the fairy tale starts to crumble. Fabuloveco boldly claims to have over 200,000 happy customers, a number so impressively high it makes you wonder if they're counting every bot that ever accidentally clicked a link. When you check actual feedback on Facebook, the story changes completely. Many users report serious issues with non-delivery, where payments are taken but the gifts never actually manifest in physical reality. Some customers even saw their orders marked as "returned to sender" despite paying extra for insurance and warranties, because nothing says premium service like paying extra to never receive your package. The situation with customer support is even worse. Multiple reviewers claim they've sent numerous emails only to be met with a wall of silence. No refunds, no replacements, and absolutely no explanations. It seems their support team is practicing a very strict vow of silence. Because of these repeated complaints, Fabuloveco looks more risky and questionable than truly trustworthy. While they have the basic trimmings of a real business, the mountain of missing orders cannot be ignored. It is best to be extremely cautious before entering your credit card details here. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped you keep your wallet closed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and updates.